Saturday, so we're gonna go eat. I'm gonna start off with breakfast, snack-ish, kind of. Then we're gonna move into something I would eat for lunch. And then obviously we'll get to the supper, dinner time this evening. So cheers. So the last few weeks I have been venturing into the hill country of Slovenia, visiting the castle in my last video, the cave in the video before, and then also doing that mini hike to Šmarna Gora. This week I'm coming at you from the city of Ljubljana. I'm doing a food tour. It's more of a kind of what I would eat, but I'm also trying a little bit. It's kind of a mix. But yeah, it's exciting. Disclaimer, probably gonna have some food on my mouth. That's how it goes when you eat in front of people, I guess, on camera. It's new to me. So if you see food on my mouth, don't pay attention to it. It's not there. Also, you should stick around until the end of the video. I think the best thing that I had was the last thing. So stay for that and yeah, enjoy. All right, so I just walked out of my apartment. I'm walking around the corner. I actually live above a bakery called Mlinar. That's Mlinar. I'll show you a picture of that. But yeah, so I'm walking in there. Probably gonna get a croissant. I've tried a few of the other things, but the croissant's like by far my favorite thing. I normally go with they call it marmalade, but hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks, see ya. I would call it apricot. It has a apricot filling and like this white, I don't even know what it is on top. Some kind of like sprinkles. I don't know. I'll show you. But it's also like obviously buttered and it's flaky and it's so good. So I'm gonna do something I've never done before, and that's eat in front of you. So here we go. I think it's amazing. I'll show you what it looks like inside. All right, so every day there's a market except Sundays. But there's one inside the building. It's actually the butcher area. So it's mainly meats and cheeses, but they also have breads and stuff. So I went by this bakery and I got some kind of blueberry pie looking thing. It looks amazing. But we're gonna try it together. So here we go. So obviously I'm eating a little unhealthier than I normally would, but we get to try all this stuff together. So anyways, we're gonna do a live test with me again. This piece was a little more expensive than I'd say the normal stuff. It was €3. Obviously it's homemade and there's a lot of love, a lot of TLC put into this. But yeah, we're gonna try it together. The best way to describe this would be to say it's like a homemade pie Pop-Tart. That's really what it is, but it's good. It's not as sweet as something like you'd have in America because there's not a ton of sugar in it. You can definitely tell. Basically, they just rely on the sugar from the blueberry to bring the sugar. So it's not like overly sweet, which is nice. If you like really sweet stuff, maybe you wouldn't like this as much, but it's good. Little disclaimer, I took like the biggest bite I possibly could, and because of this, I was chewing for so long that I couldn't get my initial reaction on the video, but you'll see the rest. We're going for the cappuccino. It's $1.30. Cappuccino, $1.30. Going. And then I guess I need to. All right, I just got a minute coffee. It's definitely not gonna be like the best thing ever, but yeah, we're gonna give it a go. That was actually my first time doing this, but they're pretty much in every bakery and anything that's like grab and go, they pretty much have these minute coffees. But yeah, you saw how it works. I want to give a shout out to Mark Gazette for buying me a coffee. Via my link below, buy me a coffee. Cheers, Mark. Right now, I'm heading to my favorite grocery store. It is called Maxi, at least it's like a shopping complex, but the bottom floor is all a grocery store. So I'm heading there to get a local Slovenian drink called a kokta. It's this blue can with yellow writing, and it's like, I think the best way to describe it would be a Slovenian version of Coke. So yeah, going to grab that. Okay, I've just gone to the Maxi and I got a kokta and I got a candy bar, Kandit rum, plocice. I have no idea what it is. I guess it's just some kind of chocolate candy bar. I hope it's a chocolate candy bar. But yeah, I'm gonna try it right now and you'll join me. So it's actually 2 candy bars, it looks like. I'm just gonna go for one bite. Just cause yeah. Anyways. Oh, by the way, for the candy bar, it was 79 cents in euros. And the kokta was 89 cents in euros. So, cheers. I have to say, let me chew. This isn't my favorite. This is not my favorite. Let me read it again, hold on. Kandit rum, plocice. This one, not for me. That candy bar was not for me. Bad idea. The Coke is the only thing saving me here. It's an absolutely perfect day out here. Look at these trees. This weather is unreal. I'm out here in Tivoli Park right now, and I just love coming here because it's a way for me to get away and just be in nature and walk around. And it's a nice little exercise, nothing too serious, but it's just beautiful and it's quiet and peaceful. It's really nice here. So here I was just walking through the forest on a trail, and what do I come upon? A workout set. This is amazing. Look at this. Looks like it's brand new. I think it might be. Just in the middle of a forest. Very cool. So I just left the outside gym. Yes, I found that on a random hike in the park, which was so cool. I was there for maybe, 40 minutes. Now it's time to eat some lunch. Yes, I'm gonna have some pizza. And yes, it's called Ljubljanska Dvor. And yes, 1 slice. Everybody knows the rules. All right, so I got the pepperoni bacon. I've had it before, it's amazing, but I'm gonna eat it live because that's what this video is about. Yeah, here we go. Pizza slice was €2.90. I think that's like $13.15 or something in the US. So not bad. It's just a good, I think, more of a holdover snack. So you'd eat it before maybe like 3 o'clock, like it is now. You'd eat it at like 3 and then it'd hold you over for dinner. So it's pretty good. Also, if you wanted maybe like a smaller lunch, it'd probably be perfect. So I feel like today I've been way overeating, which is true, I have, but thank you, because I would not be going out and doing all this if it wasn't for making this video. So thank you. You inspired me to do this. Now we're going to get a Jufka kebab. Secured. I got it, and this thing is heavy. It's so much bigger. I had one the other day, and it was maybe half this size. But essentially, they do 2 different kinds of sauces. It's like tzatziki, and then there's like this spicy mayo kind of sauce. Then there's lettuce, tomato, onions, cabbage, and then the meats. It's like I think it's beef and chicken. But yeah, this massive thing was it was €5 in cash. I don't know if she said only cash, so I guess they only take cash. But yeah, it was €5, and it's easily a pound. Easily a pound. I mean, there's a good half a pound of meat in here at least. So I'm excited. I don't really want to unfold it because it's gonna fall apart on me. So I'm just gonna eat it. Once I bite it, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. But I'm probably just gonna take it back to my apartment because it looks like it's gonna get messy. So yeah, anyways, here it is compared to my head. It's like pretty massive. You can see it's a beast. It's like I would say it's like a big Chipotle burrito. That's probably the best size comparison. But anyways, cheers. All right, here it is. Jufka kebab. $5. This is crazy. You have to have one. You have to have one. I mean, this is a mega burrito, basically. Yeah, that's special. I don't know how I haven't had one of these, like, I don't know, every day that I've been here. But yeah, this is amazing. And it's so much. I think I said earlier, it's like a pound, which is about, I think it's probably about half a kilogram. That's how big it is. I mean, it is out there in size. Yeah, it's amazing. If you come, you gotta have one. I think the best way to describe this would be to say, so obviously I'm eating, yeah, so now it's time to eat some lunch. My hair looks crazy. The wind is blowing it. It looks better from this angle. Because that is what this video is about.